The study we made tried to explore the psychological behaviors behind the selfie. One of the most used word in this year, selfie, is probably one of the less investigated from the psychological viewpoint. So our goal was to understand why people use these selfies and what is behind this use. In particular, we explored using a questionnaire what behaviors people produce when they want to do a selfie. And we discovered that selfies are used in two different ways. One way that is more related to an external presentation of our life. So we use selfies to describe our location, what we are doing, the people we are. But also we discovered that selfies can be very helpful in presenting our emotions, so our internal states. And another important part of our research was related to the differences in gender use of selfies. We discovered that women prefer much more than males the use of selfies. In particular, the use of female subjects is more related to the description and sharing of emotional states. So the idea is that selfie is very helpful to know, to show to other people what I am feeling now. Instead, the use of males is much more external. The goal is to share positions, share activities with the friends, and if females expect in some way a return from the selfie, so they expect external comments from friends and the social connections, instead in males this expectation is much lower. A final part of the study was related to the psychological motivations behind self. In particular, if personality can be used to predict the use of selfies. And we discovered that obviously narcissistic personality can be a very important predictor of the selfie. But also we discovered that the motivation behind the selfie is also related to extroversion. Being an extrovert person can produce more selfies. This is very relevant from the psychological viewpoint. Instead, being a neurotic person is not a predictor of the selfie. The research is still running. We have collected now 150 interviews, and the goal for the end of the year is collect much more interviews and to explore more in depth also the social motivations behind the use of selfie.